How do you do demos today? Question I've asked a few hundred times in the past few months. There seem to be a small percentage of you that use some form of interactive demo software. Most of the folks I talk to call that a video. And that's kind of what it is. It's slightly better than Loom, maybe a little worse than Figma mockups, but if you don't have a designer, most people I talk to aren't going to cough up $50,000 a year for a product that's slightly better than Loom. No, most folks are still doing demos the same way I did when I was a sales engineer 10 plus years ago. They're asking sales engineers, they're asking QA, they're asking engineering, and the end result is this. Sales comes to do a demo, and the demo's busted. They ask engineering for help. In the best case, engineering says yes, they've got availability, can work on it, but it's not instantaneous. They've got to generate a bunch of data, write a bunch of scripts, they test it all out end to end. So what happens is sales wins or loses the deal, regardless of engineering's effort. Engineering puts in all this time and expertise and finally comes back with a solution that works, but the deal's already done. More time passes, and sales gets another prospect, another big client that they really need that demo environment to shine for. But now all the timestamps have aged out. The environment looks old again, it looks dead, we've shipped new product, the data model's busted, the scripts don't update anymore. This is the demo doom loop.
One ring to bring them all, and in the darkness, find them.
This is what Mocksi is designed to prevent. For highly technical products where Figma and Loom aren't enough, or products that are designed to compete with Figma and Loom aren't enough, Mocksi provides high context, high relevance demos for extremely sophisticated buyers. If you're as sick of the demo doom loop as we are,
Cast it into the fire!
join the waitlist today at Mocksi.ai.